Welcome to our channel, where creativity meets innovation. Today, we're diving into the world of MacCube software, the ultimate tool for unleashing your creative potential. Hey there, creative minds! In this video, we're going to explore the exciting features and capabilities of MacCube software. MacCube software offers a seamless interface designed to empower designers, illustrators, and creatives of all kinds. Let's take a closer look. This software link is available in the video description. MacCube offers a 7-day free trial with access to all its features. This way, you can see for yourself how effective it is at cleaning your Mac with just one click. MacCube can scan your entire system and identify junk files. Then you can easily delete them with the single click. So after installation, launch the program, and here is the main interface. Different features of MacCube break into different tabs that you can select at the left side. We have Smart Scan, large and old files, duplicate folder, uninstaller privacy, and toolkit option. MacCube Smart Screen feature is actually a cache and junk file cleaner. It searches in your Mac's trash, as well as in app caches, system caches, emails, attachments, and more. As you can see, it completed its scan in just a few seconds. Once the scan is complete, you will see a detailed breakdown of what MacCube found. With the single click, you can safely remove all those unnecessary files and free up valuable storage space. If you have big files or files you have not touched for a long time, Make will find them, and you can quickly identify the useless files that occupies a huge amount of space and clean it up. The duplicate finder is also a highlight feature of MacCube, as many people may download or save a same file for image twice for backup or without notice. This feature is helpful to identify the duplicate file and keep them from eating up too much space. The uninstalled feature of MacCube is to help you quickly remove an application along with the app files. It's also a good feature. While there are many ways to uninstall a program, such as deleting from Launchpad Finder, many ways leave behind leftovers that jam your Mac for those who prefer a complete deletion. This feature can be the peak. The removal is easy, so you can finish in a few seconds. The privacy feature of MacCube actually refer to privacy protection by removing browser cookies and histories for the reason that your cookies may contain lots of private information, so cleaning up regularly is reasonable for privacy security. And there are 3 more tools here. Shredder claims to scalely erase files and folders. Extensions lets you manage and remove plugins, proxy services, and startup items, which lets you find images that are similar enough that you might want to delete one of them. So, in my experience, cleaning apps are most useful for managing disk space on old Mac. You might notice some speed improvements, so MacCube is incredibly affordable compared to other Mac cleaner apps. But don't let the price fool you. MacCube is a powerful and effective tool that can keep your Mac running like new. So head over to the MacCube website today and download your free trial. See for yourself how MacCube can save you money and keep your Mac running at its best. So, whether you're a designer, illustrator, or just someone with a passion for creativity, MacCube software is your ultimate companion. Ready to unleash your imagination? Download MacCube today and let your creativity soar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and reviews. Until next time, stay creative.